Good morning. As part of the today's session, I want to explain you about how exactly you can delete a value from a text field. Consider that the UI catalog app is here for us. Okay. In the text field, consider that you have a demo user. I want to delete this complete value and then I want to enter another value. So that's what my requirement is. Delete some existing content and re-enter a new value is our ultimate requirement. How exactly we are going to deal with it? In order to handle this scenario, there are two options. One thing is delete character by character from the given string. Okay, character by character in the text field. And the second one is select the entire text in the text field and delete everything. These are the two options. So it means consider that demo Suren is there. The first option is delete N, delete E, delete R, U, S, space like this, one after another. If I want to delete it, this we call it as a first option. Moving on to the second option, which is if the text is there, select this text, Command A, select this text and delete it. Automatically, we can consider this as a deleted. That's it. So here, demo user is there. Okay, so these are the two different scenarios that you have and that you want to deal with it. Okay, these are the two different scenarios that you want to deal with it. How exactly we can write down a customized code. If you see right now, I have created a basic program that will be navigating to that particular text fields, where in which it's entering a demo user value into that particular text field and perform a sleep operation. Perfect. Let's debug this so that we can write down our program. Okay, let's debug it so that we can generate our code base. In general, in order to perform this particular operation, we have a keys. Using these app.keys, you can use any of your keyboard commands. So here, I want to use these keyboard operations here. Let us see it right now. Let's go back here. Okay, the demo user got entered. Now, app.keys. So here, as we are using it in a console, pivo app.keys, in which I want to deal with the delete key dot a tab. See here, guys, I'm just deleting this particular thing. So as of now, it got a deleted. Perfect. When I rerun this particular one, see it entered a demo user and as of now, R got a deleted. If I run it one more time, if you see right now, E got removed. And if I use it one more time, see here, S got a deleted. So the same way here, if I run it one more time, even the next value got a deleted. If I run it one more time, the another space got a deleted. Perfect. So this is the way how exactly you can use it. So you can use this command for the multiple times. In order to use this command for the multiple times, you can use a for loop, right? So here, what I'm using means for, okay, this is the for I want to use. For this I in 1 to 5. Consider that I'm going to go with the 5 values, 1 to 5, and in which app dot keys of delete dot tab. So it means what it's going to happen, it's going to run this particular loop for 5 times and it's going to deal with this particular value for the 5 times. That's it. That's what the ultimate point I want to deal with it. So here, let me add a sleep after this. And at the end, I'm using app.terminate. All these things I have used. Now, let me kill this existing program and let me rerun this program and see how it's going to happen right now. So it should launch the UIKit catalog, the text field, demo user should enter, and after that, it should wait for 5 seconds and then it should delete those values. And after that, it should wait for 5 seconds and then it will terminate that. For suppose you know the count basically, user is of a 4 and demo is of a 4 and space is of a 1. So the total are 9 characters. I can use this count as a 9 in the for loop. And when I run my program this time, it will delete all the things which is a demo user. So character by character, I'm deleting the entire string in the given text field. Okay, let us see right now. It will delete character by character. Everything got deleted. And as all these text got deleted, I can enter in another value into this particular one. I'm naming it as a Surendra Jagannatham. I have given my name as a Surendra Jagannatham. Let me run my program and see this time whether it is deleting the existing value and whether it is entering a new value into that particular field or not. Let us see. This is the first option, guys. So once this option is completed, in the next session, we will see the second option, which is how to select the entire thing and how to delete it. Okay. So as it is already blinking in that, it performed that operation. To cross-check that data, if you add a sleep right after this one, maybe for about a few seconds and reduce this time to few seconds. I'm just reducing this time. And now when I run this program, if you clearly observe, it should enter a value. It should delete a character by character. And once everything got deleted, it will re-enter a new value. The drawback in this particular program here is in the for loop, you need to define the index basically. Okay, few may ask that rather than specifying the index, we can get the total number of characters from this and you can use it. Of course, you can deal in that particular way. This is the first way that we have studied. And there is another way, which is you can select the entire text and you can deal with it. That I will show you as part of the next session. Okay, done the deal. Thank you. Bye-bye.